How to fix Messenger waiting for a message. This might take a while. Problem solved. If any day you are a Messenger user and it's being problem for you to send a message or it's showing in the sending and the waiting option and you are quite frustrated, do not worry as we have got the perfect solution for this. For this, first of all, you have to find the Messenger application on your mobile device. After you find the very Messenger application, you have to tap it on for a while and then go to the I like option on the top. After you tap on it and go to the I like option, you can see the interface of the app information. Now you have to tap on the option of notifications. After tapping on notification, you have to allow the notifications and allow sound and vibration. After that, you have to go back and then go to the option of permissions. After tapping on permission, you have to allow the permission to calendar, camera, contacts, location, microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notification, phone and photos and videos. After that, you have to go back and then go to the option of set as default. After tapping on set as default, you have to open the supported links and then go back again. Now you have to go to the next option, that is storage. After you tap on storage, if you see any of the cache out there, you have to go to the option of clear the cache and then go back again. Now you have to go to the next option, that is app details and store. After tapping on app details and store, if still your problem is not solved, you can just contact the developer by sending an email to the developer by going to the option of email here, that your very problem has not been solved with the kind of evidences such as screenshot and all. Otherwise, what you can do is you can go to the search icon on your mobile device. You have to launch Play Store on your mobile device by tapping on the Play Store, and after that in the search icon you have to search Messenger there. After you search Messenger there, if you see the option of update out there, you have to update it and then open it and your very problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.